Making pizza. Got some fresh basil from the garden. We're just going to cut that up so that it works out nicely. Yeah, that's cut up real nice now. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic to our pizza here. Not a whole lot, but a little bit, you know. It's garlic, it's got to be on a pizza, right? One little bit more there, not too much though. Okay, the garlic is in there. Excellent. Now we have some fresh oregano here from the garden. Just cut that up nicely too. Add some nice fresh herbs to the pizza. Make it much better. Make it taste a whole lot better. And we'll just put that on our pizza. That's lots. A little pepper. We'll start with a bottom layer of cheese. Not a lot though, I just like a little bit on the bottom. I'm definitely a top guy. I don't usually do my cheese on the bottom, but hey, there we go. Nicely done. We'll even give it a little shake of Parmesan as well. Oh, it'll be so good. Next, let's do some chopped bacon. Oh yeah, we got that bacon there. That's good stuff. I don't think a pizza's good without a bacon. Bacon makes everything better. Next we do mushroom. How about that? How about a few mushrooms on there? Yeah, we like mushrooms. Why not? They're good for you. And they're tasty. So we'll do some mushrooms as well. Maybe one more mushroom here. There we go, there we go. Where they go? There, and there, and there, and there, and there. Excellent. Hey. Genoa salami when you see one. This is a salami. This is a Genoa salami. Looks pretty good, I'd say. Oh, look at that. I think that's perfect. Right there. Perfect. Next we do pepperoni. You got a big pile of pepperonis here. Yummy pepperoni. Love the pepperoni. That's for sure. Yes, sirree, Bob. Get that pepperoni on there. You bet. And as I said, I'm a top man for the cheese, not a bottom man. So here's the cheese going on the top. Oh yeah, baby. That is going to be a good pizza. And there she is. All set to go. Just going to slide it into a 425-degree oven. 15 or 20 minutes. Ow, hot. And she will be delicious.
that as a team, and how much did we use that? Vabbè che